Okay, we see everybody. Okay. All right. So today's our last day.
Yeah.
How do you guys feel about that?
Good.
I hate it.
You don't? What do you mean?
I don't want you to leave yet.
Aw, well, that makes me feel good. Thanks.
Are you gonna come in the, like in the middle of the year?
No.
Oh, so
I can come back and visit.
So if you get the grade on that, you're gonna be a teacher?
I could be, yes. All right. So what are some of our expectations when we're doing math together?
Don't rush it.
Don't rush.
Don't talk while the other one.
Don't go like got it and the other person isn't ready.
Just like that? That's a great example.
That's like rushing it.
Like,
And interrupting.
Can I do it? Can I do it? Can
Yeah.
I do it? Can I do it?
Okay, so we're gonna be respectful of each other and we're gonna not talk out of turn, right? Okay, so today, I know you missed last week. Last week we did partial products. You guys asked to do multiplication, and so that's what we started doing today, or last week, right? It was confusing? It was? I thought you guys got it.
Oh yeah.
I got it.
Last
did
week
get
I
it,
had
yeah.
strep.
Yeah, oh, that's nasty. All right, so that's what we're gonna start with today.
Oh,
We're
wait,
doing multiplication. We're gonna just we're just gonna work on that today. So we're gonna start with one. Okay, so here's our partial product. Okay, so our first one, we're gonna work on together, right?
Okay.
Okay, so 9, especially since you didn't get to see it.
9 times.
So do it in your head,
Okay.
mental math.
Oh, I'm not good with my eyes.
And what happens if you still need more time? What should you do?
Wait.
Thank you.
It's better than 12 times 12. We just put it
Yeah, you can give me a thumbs up if you're ready. Okay, so what kind of solutions did you get?
144.
144.
Same
You got
Same.
144 too? You guys all agree? Okay. How did you solve it? Explain.
I broke 6 to now. Then I did 6 times 9, which equals
6 times 9,
54.
54, okay.
And my 4 over, I carried my 5 over the 9. On the top part.
In the top part,
I carried my 5 over the 9.
this 5,
Over to that.
9, so you're gonna put like a 5 up here?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I did 1 times 9, which equals 9.
1 times 9, which equals 9,
Plus 5.
plus 5.
Then,
Equals 14.
which equals 14.
Okay.
Take that 4 from the 54 up there and put 100. Yeah.
Okay. How does everybody else feel about this
Good.
method? Good?
Good.
Okay. So the correct answer is 162.
Oh,
That's okay.
we failed.
No. We learn from our mistakes, right? So we're gonna learn where we kind of made our mistake. Okay? So
I was 9 times 6.
So the way that I showed them partial product is you're going to break down the larger number. So we have 9 times 16. So we're going to break down 16. 10
10 and 6.
plus 6 equals what?
16.
16. We're going to do 9 times each one. So 9 times 10
90.
equals 90. See? And then 9 times 6 equals
54.
54. Okay, so 90 plus 54 equals
4 plus 0.
144.
144.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yes.
Because 4 plus
Okay.
nothing equals 4. Yeah, look. And 9 plus 5 equals 14.
9 plus 5 equals 14.
9 plus 4.
You're right. I messed up. I did 6. You are absolutely right. I was wrong. See, we're doing this together, right?
Yeah.
We are doing this together.
That's
You were right.
I did
And
not.
you got the answer.
That's what I did. I did 90.
So scratch what I said up here. So
Ooh.
seems a little bit more simpler. Both do? Were you guys taught this
No,
way?
I wasn't.
You were taught that?
I'm used to stacking.
You're used to stacking.
But
So
ever
how did
since-
you come up with this solution, with
Well-
this method?
Well, we've been working on doing it like that. Well, I've been working on breaking it down
Okay.
at my house.
So decomposing, you've been working on decomposing? Oh, okay. All right, so do you think that maybe you can try my way?
Yeah.
You think you can really try? Because last week you did it. You were doing it this way. And we started out using this way, but by the end of the lesson you were really doing it this way. Okay. So we're going to try another one. How do you feel about this, since this is your first time? I don't know how I messed up. See, we all make mistakes. I don't know what happened. All right, so here's our next one. 13 times 14.
Oh.
You can give me like a little thumbs up if you're ready. Make it small, so that way other people who are working don't feel rushed. We don't want anyone to feel rushed, right? Take your time. You need more time, Lee? Are we all set?
Mhm.
Okay, so what is our solution? Or
27.
Pardon me?
27.
27?
Are you sure you didn't add?
Make sure you look at the
172.
172.
Wait, I got something different. Hold on.
Okay, take your
I
time.
got 192.
You got 192? We got 192, 100 and what?
72.
Well, I don't trust my own answers anymore, so
Hold on.
we're gonna work on this together.
Okay.
Hold on, she needs a moment.
22.
22?
I don't know what it is.
So you got 22? Okay, so we'll start with 192. Can you explain how you did it?
I multiplied. I did 2 digit times 2 digit.
Okay, so how did you do it? What times what?
At first I did 4 times 3. I got
4
12.
times 3. Okay.
I brought down my 2. I carried my 1
Brought down your 2. And where did you carry your 1 at?
above 1.
Above the 1? Okay. And then what did you do?
And I did 3 times 1.
Yes, 2 over here.
Equals 3. Then I carried, then I added my 1 and I got 4.
Okay.
And then I did, it's hard to do without stacking.
It is very hard. That's why I was showing you the partial product way. Do you remember how I did it? You want to finish yours and then let's see how he did his. So what did you do after this?
I added a 0.
You added a 0? Or to the end, did you add 40, like a 0, like that?
I got my ants. I'm kind of doing it like the turtle head.
Okay.
Like once we do low,
You bring down your 0. Oh, okay.
and we do the other digit like the ones.
Okay. So then what did you do for the 1s?
1 times 4 equals 4.
1 times 4 equals 4.
Then 1 times 1 equals 1.
Okay, so where's your answer then? Amongst all
42
of this?
plus 40.
42? Where's 42?
The 2's up there.
The 2's up here? So we're bringing it down? Okay, so 42 plus 1? 43? is your 150 more?
I don't know.
You're not sure? All right, well, let's take a step back and we'll do his, okay?
Can we show
Okay, so
you how we did it?
you can in a minute.
What?
All right, so how did you do it?
3 times 4
3 times 4?
is 12.
Okay,
And then 3 times 1 is 1.
okay,
And then I added those two, I think.
okay. You added 12 plus 1? Okay,
I think I did. And 1 times 4 is 4. And then 1 times 1 is 1.
1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 4 equals
4.
4.
And then, I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
Okay, can I show you?
Oh, wait.
Oh, yes, you can do yours.
I think I stacked.
You think you stacked? Oh,
I did.
I did stack.
4 times 3 equals 12. And then I did. Then I broke that one. Then I marked that one out and we put the 7 in it. And then
save it for later.
Then I did 1 times 1 equals 1 plus that other one equals 2. That one, brought them together, which equals 20.
Okay. All right, we're missing a few numbers here. All right, so this is my.
What was the correct answer though?
We're gonna find out here in just a second.
Okay.
So, which one's the larger number?
14.
14. So we're gonna break 14 down.
10 and 4.
10 plus 4 equals what?
14.
14. So what should go on the outside?
13.
13. What are we gonna do with 13?
Multiply it.
Multiply it by what?
Both of them.
Both of them. 10 and 4. So we're gonna do 10 first. 13 times 10 equals what?
130. 130.
Yes. Okay? So 13 times 4.
52.
52. And then we're gonna add 130 plus 52. What does that give us?
82.
Oh. Okay,
Both of
so
ours was close.
close, but again, look how much work you have to do in remembering and things and making sure you save numbers. And look how many steps partial product has.
I was way off. I don't even know.
So which way is more, I know you guys are more comfortable with this way.
How did you do that?
I don't know, she forgot some numbers over there. Do you think we can try it this way? Okay, the next time, for the next number, I want you guys to try it this way.
Okay.
When you're explaining it, this is what I want to see.
Okay.
So do you think you can do that? I know you
Yes.
can, and I know you can. You got it up pretty easily. She's having a difficult time back there. All right, so here's our next number. Let's regroup. Oh, no, we don't need our hands. We've got an eraser. All right,
I like wear the shirt every time I come to.
okay, are we ready? Here's your next number. 19 times 20.
Oh.
Okay.
So break down the most difficult one.
Okay.
That way it makes it easier for you when
But
you're
it'll
multiplying.
still say the same though.
Not if you break it down.
The bigger one.
Yep, you break it down.
20 and 0.
No, break down the most difficult one.
Oh.
So which one's the most difficult?
19.
19. Okay, so break down 19
Okay.
and then
Okay.
multiply it.
Wait, so I do
10 and 9.
19 times. I don't know. I'm just gonna do whatever.
Well, that's not
I'm not
right.
gonna add. But I will multiply.
You're gonna try really hard to do it?
Yes.
Okay, let's see you do it.
Okay.
You think you're getting it? Okay. Give me a small thumbs up if you have your solution, your product. What did you guys get?
380.
I got 1,380.
1,380. What did you get?
380.
380. Do you agree with one of these solutions?
Ali's. 380.
380?
That's really high.
Okay, so we'll start. What did you do?
I broke it down 18.
Okay, so what? What did you break down to?
10 plus 9.
Okay,
Then multiplied by
I like it. Okay,
20. And then I did 20 times 10, which I got 1,000, which I got 1,200.
okay,
Then I multiplied 20 times 9, which I got 180.
20 times 9 equals what?
180. Then I added 1,200 as 180, which I got 1,380. I did not different.
I still
Okay.
did.
What did you do?
Well, I broke it down. I broke 19 down.
Okay,
So it was 10 plus 9.
10 plus 9.
And then I multiplied both of those by 20.
Okay.
And 20 times 10 I got was 200.
Mm-hmm.
And then I did 20 times, I did 2 times 9, which equals 18. And then I took the 0 from the 20
Uh-huh.
and added it onto 18. And then I added 219.
That's what I did too.
Which equals 380.
That's what I did too.
What's the right answer?
So which one is correct? Is it 1,200 or is it 200?
I say that one.
I say it's 200 because here. So we learned to take out these
And add them.
and then do 2 times 1 plus 2, and then take their zeros and add 1.
Yeah.
I think I agree. What do you think? Do you see where she did it? Do you understand how she got the 200? Do you understand that? Or should we go over it again?
I kind of stacked them.
You stacked it? That's okay. I mean, I would stack it too. Even as I'm looking at it, I want to stack it. That's what I want to do because that's the way I was taught too. I was taught just like you guys. So this process is challenging for me as well.
I've gotten so
Be
used
careful, you're gonna get hurt. So, okay,
I've gotten so used
we're gonna do one more problem.
Okay.
Don't we have to leave?
Nope, she's gonna peek inside the room, remember?
And then what are we going to do after that one more problem?
I don't know, we'll have to find out. Okay,
Is there a prize?
are you ready? No, you have to wait for your prize till the end of the day. Are you ready? Who's ready?
Me.
I need bottoms in the seats.
That one's missing.
Thank you. All right, are we ready? Last one. Which one would you break down first? here?
26.
Why?
Because 30?
There's
Right,
two
Shannon's just gonna jerk me
digits.
Yeah,
30 has a 0.
30 has a 0,
Exactly.
which makes it what?
Harder.
Which makes it harder to multiply?
No, it'll be the same.
It'll be the same? Okay, so go ahead, solve it.
Okay.
A small thumbs up is all I need. Small thumbs up. Does anybody need more time? Okay. Does anybody need more time? Okay, what's our product?
7. I got 780.
780? Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't see you wink.
Oh, well,
I thought you had a thumbs up too.
780.
You all got 780? Okay,
Yeah,
can
we
you
all
explain what you did?
Yeah!
Do you want to write it?
No.
Okay.
I broke down 26,
Okay.
which was 20 plus 6.
Okay.
And I multiplied it by 30.
All right.
I did 30 times 6 first.
Okay.
Except for I took out the 0 because I was going to add it after.
Okay.
And then it ended up to be 18, and then I added the 0 at the end of it.
Okay.
And then I did 30 plus 20.
30.
30 times 20.
Okay.
So 3 times 2 is 6. And then I added the 2 zeros at the end of it.
Okay.
And then I added it, which was
Added what?
780. 600 plus 180,
600 plus 180,
which was 780.
780.
That's exactly how I did it too.
You guys did it the same way?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so which way was faster to explain? This way or the way that you were doing before?
That one.
That way.
This way. Which was faster for you?
That way.
This way?
That
Is it
way.
becoming more easier for you to do this
Yes.
and break it down? So when you get home and your dad throws you out a number like 78 times 24, would you be able to do it?
Yes.
You think so?
Mhm.
What do you think your dad would do? Would he be like shocked?
He'll be like, oh my gosh, how do you know that? I'll go,
Would he?
no reason.
Do you think he would need a calculator, or do you think he'd be able to do it? In
He would
his
need a
head?
calculator because my dad's just.
You should test your parents when you go home. You should test them. You should give them a multiplication problem. She is.
She does special
Okay.
at
She might like this.
At Colton, she does their Colton thing.
Okay. Do we want to do one more problem?
No.
No, I want to talk.
Talk. All right. Well, come here. I have some questions for you. We have to do a screen. We have to read this book real quick.
Oh, again?
Yes. Again.
Isn't this like
Get
my
them over
fourth
here.
time then?
Oh, you can stay there. This is our second time reading it. Are you ready?
That was like
Who's ready?
Me.
All right. Chicks and salsa. Did you guys like this book the first time?
Yeah.
You did? It was funny. Okay. There were grumblings in the hen house of Nathatcher Farm. The chickens were tired of chicken feed. The rooster took it upon himself to solve this problem. All right. How many chickens are in their bunk beds?
4.
There.
Oh yeah, 4.
4? All right. If each chicken had
Does that
3
mean
chicks each, how many total chicks would there be?
12.
How did you do that?
Wait, what was the question?
4 times 3. If each chicken in the bunk bed had 3 chicks each,
Oh,
what would the total
that
be?
would be 12.
12. Okay.
Hey, does that chicken count? That's on the hay.
No, they're not. He's not in the bunk bed.
Oh.
Mrs. Nathatcher, the farmer's wife, had started watching cooking shows in the afternoons. The roosters were perched on a fence post outside the farmhouse window when he discovered the solution to his problem.
Salsa.
Did it
I
say
see.
that?
I see that. I see.
Salsa! I
This
did miss
cat's
that.
after that. Cat's after that.
I
Big
bet
birdie.
I would be after that big birdie too. Led by the rooster, the chickens crept into the garden where they took tomatoes and uprooted onions.
That mouse is like thug life.
He is. That night the chickens ate chips and salsa, though nobody was quite certain where the chickens got the chips.
See, there's a mouse again.
Look, and he has a bag of chips. The tasty tang of tomatoes and onions hung over the barnyard, and the rooster said,
He's
"Ole!"
paying them for the chips.
I know.
See?
Oh.
It's illegal. No. It's like
Very soon there were mumblings at the duck pond of Nathatcher Farm. Inspired by the chickens, the ducks decided they were tired of fish. With the rooster's encouragement, the ducks dipped into the garden where they selected cilantro and gathered garlic. All right, how many chicks do you see at the pond? Or ducks?
Chicks?
Ducks.
Oh,
5.
How many ducks
Five.
do you see?
5.
5.
Duck. All right, say that there were 5 groups of 5 groups of ducks with 5. Hold on. Say that there were 5 groups, and each group had 5 ducks. How many total
25.
ducks would there be?
25.
How did you figure that out?
5 times 25. Okay, does that chicken, does that duck's butt count also?
That's a rooster.
The
Oh, I didn't
That-
see that one. No, that one doesn't count.
That mouse is Mexican.
He is.
From Mexico.
Ooh.
He's illegal.
That night the ducks ate guacamole, though nobody was quite certain where the ducks got the avocados. The spicy scent of garlic and cilantro hung over the barnyard, and the ducks said,
Olay!
Hey, I see the pig in the bushes.
I do too.
Hey, where's
The next morning, there were rumblings in the pig pen of Nathatcher Farm. Overwhelmed by the enticing aromas, the pigs decided they were tired of slop. All right, see the slop throb?
Yeah.
All right, say it was square, okay? And one side measured 6 inches. What would the parameter be of the square? Of the throb?
24.
How did you do that?
6 times 4 is 24.
How did you know you needed to multiply it by 4?
Because a square has 4 equal sides.
Yeah.
You guys are way too smart. While the rooster distracted Farmer Nathatcher, the pigs plodded into the garden where they borrowed beans and chopped chilies. Ooh, all right. The piglets borrowed 671 red hot chilies, and the big pigs, the adult pigs, borrowed 1,284 green hot peppers. How many peppers were there total? 671.
Yes.
671.
Sure.
Oh, I asked.
She asked. You have to give her the marker. Everybody else sit down. Everybody else sit down, or we're not going to be able to. You're supposed to just write the number on the board, okay? 671. And then 1,284. Oh, what
Plus.
is it? 1,284.
Oh, that's easy.
Oh, that might be more difficult for someone else. There's a chair over here. Just stand. Do we got it yet?
No.
All right. Okay, what did we get?
1955.
What did you guys get?
I got 1,955.
Same? All right. That's correct.
Yay.
Nice job. Nice mental math. How did you guys solve it?
Oh, I just added.
Did you stack it or did
No,
you do
no.
it
I did it like that.
I
did it
I
like that.
carried one.
You did it
I
horizontally?
did that, and then I just put the one in front of it. Yeah.
Okay. That's good horizontal. You're starting to do it horizontally.
I was
Oh, yeah.
starting to stack
Starting
it.
to. All right. Here we go. I'm starting to read. That night the pigs ate nachos, though nobody was quite certain where the pigs got the nacho cheese
Bam!
sauce.
Bam! He's right there again. He's right
Oh, to see he's hanging from the cheese.
They should send him back to
He's
Mexico.
demanding money, you think?
Yeah,
The
yeah.
delightful deliciousness of cheese and chilies hung over the barnyard, and the pigs said,
Ole!
as everyone knows, when a passion for southwestern cuisine takes hold of farm animals and so many sumptuous, spicy, savour scents collide in the barnyard air, it can only lead to one thing.
Southwestern cuisine.
How many total pigs do you see? Do you remember how many we said?
We said like 15 or something.
16.
Okay, great.
Hey, I
What
was
different
close.
combinations can be made with the pigs that the product would be 16?
What?
What are the different combinations you can make that would equal 16?
Pigs right here. Wait, what?
12 plus 4.
12 plus 4. What about multiplication? What would
8
give you
times
16?
8. Oh, 4 times
4 times 4. Any other ones?
4. 2 times 8.
2 times 8.
4. Let me see.
Yep. They would have to share the nachos. Fiesta! The rooster got things organized, then returned to his fence post to watch for a good enchilada recipe. The horses decorated I can't read. The horses decorated the barn. The bull practiced his Mexican hat dance, though nobody was quite certain where the bull got the sombrero.
Bam! Bam!
So-
It's that mouse. It's that mouse.
He's getting the stuff from the Mexican
They have to
border.
cut his head off. He needs
He's
to be
taking stuff from the
beheaded.
Mexican border.
He needs to be beheaded.
Only in Texas. Okay, and the chickens, ducks, and pigs snuck into the garden, but all of their spicy southwestern supplies were gone. The scallions had been stolen, the peppers had been pilfered, the limes had been lifted.
Ole!
But there were slurpings in the kitchen of Nathatcher Farm, stirred by the succulent smells in the barnyard. Mrs. Nathatcher had decided to make tamales for the county fair. A saucy sweetness hung over the farmhouse kitchen, and Mrs. Nathatcher said,
Ole! That sounds good. I like
Disappointed, the animals canceled their fiesta. That evening, the chickens ate their chicken feed, the ducks ate their fish, and the pigs ate their slop.
Why don't they just all
Say there were
food?
10 animals on this page.
Okay.
10 animals, okay? I had 20 cupcakes to give to the animals. How many cupcakes would each animal... Let me finish.
2.
How many cupcakes... Chair down.
Well, you said 10
Two.
and 2.
Yes.
2.
So how many
Two.
cupcakes would
Two.
each get
Two.
if I pass them on?
2. 2.
You gotta be
Two.
respectful. Did I finish the question?
Yes.
I did not finish the question.
Two.
Well, you said
Two.
10 and 20.
Two.
So.
You're right, but you
Two.
didn't hear the question. How are you supposed... What if I was adding?
Well, then we would be screwed.
That's not an appropriate word to use at school.
That's my
Okay, but while the Nathatchers were at the fair, the rooster crept into the kitchen and borrowed a French cookbook. The next morning, the rooster ate crepes with white grapes and champagne sauce, though nobody was quite certain where the rooster learned how to read.
The mouse. The mouse. He is so smart. I mean, he's so smart.
Oh gosh, a satisfied smile stretched over the rooster's beak, and the rooster said,
Ooh la
"La
la.
la la." All right, guys.
Ooh, it's from
So today's our last day. Our praise points and our teach points. You guys did a really great job learning the partial product method, and I was really proud of every one of you for really trying to use that method instead of what your brain was trying to tell you to do.
Hold on.
Some teach points would be, hang on, I'm not finished. Some teach points would be to continue practicing that and to get really fluent in it. That way it just becomes automatic to you. I'm going to miss you guys a lot. I'll leave your treats with your teacher. What would you have to say?
Can't you come back?
Maybe I'll come back to
Come on,
visit.
ice cream.
I know, she wants that ice cream. I can't have ice cream, it's going to melt.
Okay.
Wait, one last thing. All right, before you leave,
Yeah.
that's where I go to school at.
Are you allowed to sub?
I can. I'm not registered to
This
sub in
again?
your school though. Yes, one last time. So you guys return this to the teacher tomorrow, and I will come back tomorrow and pick it up.
What?
And I will say hello.
Can you come eat our prize with us?
I can't. You guys have to wait till 2:30.